a new carbon material developed by Toyo-Tanso that has the potential to contribute greatly to the latest technologies such as hydrogen electrolyzers and fuel cells. We would like to introduce a new carbon material, CNovel. CNovel is a new carbon material with a special structure containing a lot of mesopores. The enlarged image will explain the structure. Despite CNovel is a mesoporous carbon, it also contains a lot of micropores and has a high specific surface area. Furthermore, it has a special structure called interconnected pores in which the pores are connected. Options of pore size. Porous materials are classified into microporous, mesoporous, and macroporous materials based on the size of their pores. CNovel is a mesoporous material, but our unique pore control technology allows us to adjust the pore size from microporous to macroporous to meet your needs. Control of chemical functions. By controlling surface conditions, chemical functions can be controlled without changing physical properties. This video shows the function control for water. The reaction to water is changed. Adsorption and desorption. Adsorption and desorption usually occur through gaps on the particle surface. But the amount of adsorption is reduced when particles are clogged. CNovel's pores are connected so that all the pores can be used tightly and the adsorption time is short. High blackness. Compared to conventional black pigments, it has a very high degree of blackness, achieving a deep, pure black color. It can be used in applications where jet black is required. It has the potential to be used in new fields not found in conventional carbon due to its various functions. CNovel boosts the latest technology. Trial sample kits are available. For more information, please see the overview section. Thank you for watching. Please check out our other videos.